Let's make some quick gnocchi with the new Anova chamber vacuum. First, we're going to cook our russet potatoes, which are nice and starchy, and cool them speedily using the dry cool setting. Thinking ahead to our topping, the chamber vacuum's compressed pickle setting is great for quick pickling mushrooms. Now for the sauce, we're building layers of flavors with aromatics, a different kind of mushroom, maitake, plus mustard and shrimp paste. Make sure to use quality broth to end with an excellent sauce. Now on to the gnocchi, which you can absolutely make without a ricer. Just make sure to handle your dough gently as to not compress it too much, and then cut them into cute little pieces. I think they kind of look like taffy. Now plate it all together, and I like to use some bitter greens like arugula at the top, and maybe just a squeeze of lemon too. You can check out the full recipe at anovaculinary.com. Let me know what you think in the comments, and tag if you make this. Enjoy!